Hello and welcome to a virtual open house for High Meadow School. High Meadow is located in the Hudson Valley, 90 minutes from New York City. My name is Jennifer Bosselman. I'm the Director of Admissions. At High Meadow School, we believe as a community that providing our students access to varied perspectives and points of view is a crucial part of a whole education. Through this process, we create a diverse, democratic community. We understand there are many ways to learn and meet each child where they are and take them as far as they can go. Play, social-emotional development, choice, and voice define High Meadow School. During COVID-19, High Meadow made many capital improvements to campus for health and safety initiatives. These include upgrades to existing ventilation systems so each classroom has its own fresh air intake and filtering unit. There are multiple outdoor hand washing stations, and each classroom has its own entrance and exit to meet contact tracing standards, keeping our students and community safe. Full information about our safety plans can be seen on our website. High Meadow's admissions process is made up of 6 steps. Step 1, admissions inquiry. Step 2, parent interview and tour. Step 3, teacher recommendation. Step 4, admissions application. Step 5, child visit. And Step 6, the admissions decision. We are so excited that you're interested to learn more about our vibrant campus community. Thank you for your time, and for more information, you can email me at admissions@highmeadowschool.org.